table saw, miter saw, sander, wood glue, paper tape, vegetable oil, beech wood, rectangles or squares with 1 centimeter of thickness. First, make a 22.5-degree angle cut between the vertical and diagonal pieces of wood using the table saw. Then make a 45-degree angle cut between the diagonal pieces and the bottom layer. Fasten the pieces with wood glue and hold them together by paper tape. After making sure the glue is dry enough, cut a 45-degree angle on pieces by means of a miter saw and a stencil. Stick the edges of the bowl walls with wood glue and hold them together with paper tape. When dry, paste the bottom layer to the edges and tighten them with work clamp. When dried, use the table saw to cut a 45-degree angle on the bottom layer tangent to the diagonal wall. After sanding the outer surface with a sander, sand the inner surface with a sandpaper and at the end, polish it with vegetable oil and a piece of sponge. RONIX Premium Quality.